All right, guys. Good evening, my students, my followers. I welcome you back to another trading week, Forex trading week. So, guys, my name is Dr. Chuks Anyanwu. I'm a forex trader. I'm your mentor and coach. So today I want to do some analysis of some forex market, trades that I'll be looking up to trading this week, and I want to share my thought process with you guys so that you know what to do in this market. So, guys, first thing first, you need to come and visit the Forex Factory. That is where we look at the calendar to see the red, folders, the red news that will be coming out from the various economies that will be trading their currencies. Okay, so it's very, very important you do that. All right, so you need to come to Forex Factory to look at what's happening. So on Forex Factory, for the week, this is Monday. All right, so sorry, today is Sunday, but we're going to start trading on Monday. Okay, I really don't trade on Monday. I prefer to trade on Tuesday. Okay, because Mondays the market is a bit, gets a bit epileptic. Okay, so I try to avoid, hopping into the market on Mondays. Okay, I come to the market on Tuesdays when the structures would have settled for a particular direction the market wants to go. All right, so that's my personal view. That's my personal choice of trading. A lot of people trade on Monday and they make money, but hey, guys, the market is not running away, so I'm not in a hurry. Okay, all right. So if you look at Monday, you will see that the euro there. Let's look at when the London session opens. Okay, by 8. So the London session opens 8 GMT plus 1. If you are in Nigeria, watching and listening to me, it's GMT plus 1, 8 a.m. in the morning. So with this 8:15, we actually start, the market starts, the London session opens. All right, and so we need to watch out for all this news. Okay, we need to watch out for all this news. All right, so you can see there's red news on the dollar, the greenback, and the Great British Pound. Okay, the Great British Pound, that is the flash PMI, Purchasing Managers Index. Okay, so this news is red news. Okay, so guys, you need to be, mindful of all this news. So you come here and make sure that you don't trade when this news is going on. Okay, get out of your trade after the news. Say about 30 minutes after the news, you can look for opportunities to enter. There are always opportunities to enter the market. Okay, so guys, you need to know how to do that. You don't need to be in a hurry. All right, so fine. That said, let's go to the chart now. All right, so guys, I want us to start with EJ this week. Okay, the reason is because I saw some good trade setups on EJ. Okay, so Euro JPY, I want us to look at this trade setup. Okay, so this is what I have for EJ. So guys, you can see that this market is bullish, it's buyer's market. Okay, so I marked up my chart and I saw that in the week. Okay, I marked up my chart and I said, if you look at what happened last week, you see that this candle is a bullish candle. Okay, the market closed bullish last week. Okay, just on structure level, on key levels, the market closed bullish last week. So what that tells me is that the bulls were totally in charge throughout last week. Okay, in the market. All right, so I expect that sentiment to continue. And if you look at the setup here, you see that we have triple bottom chart pattern here. Okay, or rather double bottom. I want to take it from here. You can ignore this, but these are key levels. Okay, so now if you look at this chart, you see that the market closed bullish engulfing candle here, bullish engulfing candle. What this means is that bulls are overly in charge in this market throughout last week. Okay, and throughout last week and the previous week before the last week. So that tells me that this market has a lot of bullish sentiments around it. Okay, so we're going to follow the institutions trade the bull market. Okay, so you don't fight the institutions, guys. So I saw clearly that we have an opportunity to buy this market. Okay, so let's drop down to the daily time frame and let's see what the situation is. On the daily time frame, you see that the market has maintained, you know, that bullish push to the upside, that bullish rally. If you look at it here, you see that if you look at chart pattern here, guys, straight chart pattern, they are real. Okay, chart patterns are real. If you look at this candlestick here, you see that this is a Morningstar candlestick pattern. Okay, bearish, doji, and bullish momentum candle here. Okay, this is Morningstar candlestick pattern, and what that did was that all throughout the day, previous, you know, trading days, this market, you know, rallied. All right, the market rallied. That's what we expect it to do. All right. So when you come to the 4-hour time frame, of course, we expect that this market will continue going up. You know, price is fractal. Okay, price is fractal. So as we come down to lower time frames, you see the time frame of price unfold, you know, at the market or price action, okay, or the market structure will unfold as you drop to lower time frame. Okay, so what I did here is that I put my trend line tool. Okay, this trend line tool is to guide me, because if you look at it, the market has actually broken structure. The market has actually broken structure, guys. Okay, if you look at what is happening here, you will see that, let me show you, see that there's a break of structure here. So price has actually closed above this previous structure and maintained a push to the upside. Okay, so I want to see this candlestick drop down to structure. Okay, drop down to this trend line. They will look for opportunity to join this market. If you look at this market, is actually, you know, the pattern for trading the double bottom has actually triggered. Okay, if you see here, you see that the market did what? Break and retest of the neckline. Okay, if you look at it, you see that the neckline was broken and retested, and the market zoomed off. Okay, so the chart pattern has played out. All right, so but we need to join the trend. Okay, so to join the trend, if you look at what is happening here, you see that there's still a lot of room to the upside for price to do. Okay, a lot of room. This is the next structure level. Okay, after here we target this next structure level. So you can see that there's still a lot of room to the upside. Okay, so if we measure it, let's say from this high to the next high, okay, we still have about 180 pips to go to the upside. Then to this other side is well over 181 pips. Okay, and to this other high we have about 687 pips to go. So this market still has a lot of upside to do. But if you look at the fundamental side, you see that, let's go to Forex Factory, guys. Let me show you something. If you look at the interest rate of Euro and Japan, okay, of the Eurozone and Japan, you see that there's a difference. Okay, now the Euro has a higher interest rate than the Japanese yen, so a lot of investors would have been buying the Euro, okay, and selling off the yen. Okay, and that's actually what you're seeing here at the moment. Okay, at the moment, people are taking advantage of that interest rate, you know, differential. Okay, and perhaps some fundamental indicators that have strengthened the Euro over the yen. Okay, so in the meantime, that is what you are seeing. Even if you look at it from the weekly perspective, you see that this market is overly what? It's overly biased market. Okay, it's overly biased market. The bears tried, you know, pushed the market down here. For me, it's impulsive move, retracement move. So the market retraced into structure here. All right, so we expect the next impulsive move to take off from here, and that is what is actually going to happen, guys. So our entry time frame is a 4-hour time frame. So here we're going to keep our eyes on the ball, focus on price action to see that market will pull to what? To pull to structure, this in horizontal structure, as it were, or trend line structure. Okay, or even pull to the moving averages. Okay, then we look for a candlestick opportunity, candlestick pattern, you know, opportunity to hop into the market. Okay, so guys, that's all I have for you on EJ, and I don't want this video to be long. I have other analysis. I will show you guys the EU. Okay, when we look at the EU, we see that there's still an opportunity to buy this market. Okay, the uptrend that triggered off, because of the cut in interest rate of the dollar, okay, or in the US rather, has continued to, see this market, push this market to the upside. And like I told us, this market will continue pushing up for some time. Okay, the AU, I don't have a setup on AU. On then NJ. All right, the setup we had last week, I still want to hold this perspective. I took I closed this trade somewhere around here, okay, before it starts pulling back, okay, before I start retracing. All right, so what I did was that I closed all my positions in profit, and I'm waiting for the next opportunity to hop into the market, okay, and short the market. Like you can see here, this is a pullback. Okay, now let me remove this indicator here. Let me remove this Ichimoku indicator. All right, okay, so what we're seeing now is that price has come to structure. Okay, the market broke structure and pulled back to structure, so we'll look for another opportunity to short the market. This is the daily time frame, guys. I'm trading this market on the daily time frame. This is the daily setup. Okay, so you can see last week the market closed bullish. Okay, sorry, last trading day the market closed bullish, and we expect that bullish sentiment, if it continues and breaks structure, then we have to be on the lookout. We have to, we have to reassess our strategy. What I expect is that the market will push down from here after a candlestick pattern. Okay, and when this happens, okay, I expect further reaction. Okay, let me change this to black, guys. Okay, I expect further reaction and market to drop thereafter to my take profit level. Okay, to my take profit level somewhere here. Okay, so this is what I expect to happen, on this currency pair in the course of the trading week. All right, so in the course of the trading weeks ahead, okay, because all this may not happen in a week, maybe a 2, 3, 4. This is a swing trade, like I told us guys that we're going to swing this instrument. Okay, so guys, on GU, do I have it? Okay, I have a setup on GU. Fine. So what we have here is that market has broken this flag. This is a bear flag. Okay, broken the bear flag, pulled back to structure, and it's still going up. Okay, so I intend to buy this market because of the strong fundamentals, and the higher and the interest rate cut that has affected the dollar. Okay, so you see a lot of buying in this instrument, guys. Okay, so I want the price to pull to structure, the dynamic structure level. Okay, they will look for opportunity to go long. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys. Okay, I hope these setups are what you're looking at. If you have different setup, please share them on the channel so that we can review them together and take a decision on them. All right, so guys, I'm signing out now. My name is Dr. Chuks Anyanwu. So see you in the course of the week. Bye bye.